Welcome back everyone. In today's video we are diving into Windhawk and some amazing statement styles. As many of you already know, I have created a lot of custom statement style for Windhawk. Today I'll be testing 10 different statement style, and yes, all of them are designed by me. Each style has its own unique look and feel, so make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to let me know in the comment below which one is your favorite. So let's get started. And first thing first, you have to download and install this tool called Windhawk. Links are given in the description box. After installation, you'll see interface like this. Now we are going to click on Explore and install this mods called Windows 11 Statement Installer. Then install it. And now we are ready to test our start menu. First, we are going to start with the number 10 and copy this script code, and then go to advanced section and paste it here, and then click on save. Then click on this settings section and turn on this and click on save. This start menu uses deep midnight blue color as the main background. The dark blue tone gives your desktop a calm, premium, powerful look. It feels clean, modern without using blur or gloss effects. And this minimal start menu style made for Windhawk on Windows 11. It gives your start menu a clean modern look with a smooth blur effect. This acrylic glass effects added a soft transparent behind the start menu. It blends beautifully with your wallpaper and make your desktop look premium. This blur is smooth, not too strong, so text and icons stay clear and easy to read. This design simple and minimal. And number 8 start menu style is called Fluent. Minimal start menu is a clean, modern, made for Windhawk on Windows 11. It's give your start menu a smooth blur background with simple minimal design. This style uses a light blur effect to create a soft glass look. The background blends gently with your wallpaper, making your desktop look elegant and modern. Experience a beautifully redesigned start menu that's blend modern aesthetics with smooth functionality. This elegant style features a clean layout, soft transparency effects, round corners, and a perfectly balanced grid system for apps shortcut with subtle animation, minimal color accents, and distraction-free design. It enhances productivity while maintaining the premium look. And number 6 start menu style is called Translucent. Start menu style gives your Windows 11 desktop a smooth, classy look. This style makes the start menu semi-transparent so you can slightly see your wallpaper behind it. It can create a clean, modern, and minimal design without making your system heavy. And here is number 5 start menu. This start menu style gives your Windows 11 a clean, beautiful look. This design is simple, modern, and easy to use. This modern navigation panel on the side, it's help you to quickly open important options like settings, power, and profile. These icons are simple and easy to understand. There are no extra lines and heavy effects. And here is another elegant area start menu style that's give your Windows 11 soft glass look. It is simple, clean, and beautiful. The start menu has a light transparent background with a smooth blur effect. You can slightly see your wallpaper behind it. This makes your desktop look fresh and modern. This design neat and well organized. Apps are well placed properly and the layout easy to use. And the number 3 start menu is the modern start menu. Comes with minimal layout, smooth blur effect, and a soft transparent background. The design is simple but feels premium and futuristic. The rounded corners and clean icons alignments give your desktop a professional appearance. I created this style using Windhawk, which is allow full control over the start menu design in a few simple tweaks. And number 2 start menu is my personal favorite. This start menu features a soft transparent background with a gentle blur effect that gives your desktop a classy and modern look. The layout is well balanced with smooth spacing between icons and polished appearance that feels premium. I customized this style using Windhawk, which allows to control over the Windows 11 start menu with simple adjustment. You can change the transparency level, blur strength, color alignment, match your theme. And the number 1 start menu is super minimalist start menu style for Windows 11. If you love clean, distraction-free desktop, this setup made for you. This design remove all the extra clutter, focus only what you really need. The background is soft transparent with a light blur effect that blends smoothly with your wallpaper. And one more thing, this start menu comes with dark mode only. And this is it. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.